Hello stalkers, welcome back. So as expected, we are seeing a drop in both the markets. Let's start analyzing. I'm on the daily chart of DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. But before that, if you are new on this channel, then I highly recommend you to subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And of course, yes, if at all, after watching this video, if you think it has helped you in any way, then do not forget to support me, motivate me by hitting the like button. Today we can see market has printed a solid red candle since yesterday's candle was a rejection candle right into our resistance zone, that is 5,226 points. This was quite evident that we will see more selling pressure. There are many factors to it. May it be recession, trade war, geopolitical scenarios, and now top of it, Fed interest rate decision that will be announced today at 10 p.m. U.A.E time. Let's see if at all interest rates are dropped, then it will be a positive fundamental for markets because now accessing money will be more easier from bank. However, if at all interest rates are increased, then this will be very negative. This means that now borrowing money from the bank will be a bit difficult. At the same time, if at all interest rates are not changed, if it is the way it is as of now, then most likely we will not see any reaction. It will be very subtle and market will adjust accordingly. So talking about our market, given the scenarios, yes, today we saw a bit of less volume in both the markets. Maybe investors and traders are waiting for the Fed's decision. So I guess after the decision, we may see good volumes in the markets. To be very honest, as I have been repeatedly mentioning, market is looking a bit weaker and at the same time it's looking scarier. The reason I had mentioned is of course this deeper correction that I'm expecting that can go around 4,600 to even 4,800 zone. This is my worry. Looking at this candle, there are chances tomorrow we may see continuation. First thing first, as I mentioned, market will try to hit this zone, that is 4,973 points. That is the low that it made on 11th of March. If at all market has to be bullish, I want to see a candle closing above this zone, that is 5,226. This is very important resistance for the market. As we can see already, market has tried to break out once. It was a failure obviously, and from here we are seeing a drop. We don't know what will happen in today's Fed's decision. So if at all there is any big positive catalyst, then we may see aggressive move to the upside. If at all it sustains, then there are chances we may continue upside momentum. If at all international markets reacts negatively, then be ready. Tomorrow we can see a big drop to the downside. So overall, as of now, DFM market index is under pressure. It's going through a correction phase. Support zones, as you all know, this is immediate support. Next support zone is around 5,000 points, that is whole number psychological technical support area. If this fails, then we have strong support at 5,902 points. Let's see how the market reacts tomorrow once the Fed decision is announced. On the other hand, ADX market index also closed negative. As I had mentioned, there are chances market may just go sideways and it will decide whether it wants to go higher or to the downside. Again, the same view, I'm still negative. There are very high chances market may see the low. It can even break the low that it printed right here on 11th of March, that was 9,204 points. Then we have next support area at 9,160. If at all market can break past 9,500, that is a whole number psychological resistance area, then there are chances we may see a breakout of 9,563 points. Overall, if at all market breaks this zone and closes above the zone, then I will consider it's in positive territory. From here there are chances bulls may try and push the market higher. Then we have resistance areas at 9,653 and then 9,688. My worry is if at all there is any negative news tomorrow, if at all markets don't react positively, then I'm expecting a drop to the downside. As I had mentioned in my earlier video as well, that I'm still not convinced that this correction is over. There are chances we may see one more leg to the downside. It may hit this support and then market will decide its action, whether it wants to start a new trend or it wants to go down deeper. We all hope that this does not happen. We want the market to sustain at current zones and then start pushing higher. Overall, ADX market is also going through a correction phase. Yesterday I had uploaded a video regarding Americana, just in case if you have missed it. Here is the iCard, do watch that video. I had made an analysis on this stock. We were planning for an entry above this resistance, that is 2.14 area. Right from the time of opening we are seeing aggressive selling pressure, so obviously no entries in this zone. It did not trigger our price, so obviously we stay out of the stock. This also means we will have good opportunity as it goes lower. Obviously we can pick up at lower prices, but only after a bullish confirmation. For now we cannot see any buying pressure, we are not seeing any bullish scenario, so let's stay away till the time we see one. One of the stock that opened with a gap down and it has survived with good volumes is Dana. I'm on the daily chart. We can see after this massive move to the upside, we can see it has been going sideways for about 3 days, and today after opening a gap down we are seeing a powerful move to the upside. Closing is above 0.800, that was resistance. This is giving us a good indication. Tomorrow there are chances of continuation. If it opens flat or with a gap up, we can take small entries. We can plan our stop loss right here at the support zone, and from here there are chances. First stop at 0.820 and then we have next resistance at 0.827. If you remember earlier, right at this zone we had planned our entries and it hit our targets successfully. From here it's trying to correct itself. Thankfully the correction was not deeper. We can see 0.752 area is holding up very nicely, and from here there are good chances of going higher, provided the market does not react negatively due to the Fed's decision. If at all there is any negativity, most of the stocks tomorrow will open with a gap down again. This will indicate we should stay away from the market. I hope guys this video was helpful. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.